how much can I actually borrow? Is it a subjective thing? Is it interview based? Is somebody taking a general call on my future potential or stability? Or is there actually a maths and formula involved in terms of how much I can borrow, eligibility?
So it varies from 75 to 90%. 90% is definitely on the higher side.
Ah,
Not everybody is going to get a 90%. That would again depend on your credit score, what your repayment ability looks like, But 75 to 85, that's pretty standard nowadays. In terms of the mathematics that you mentioned, there is a bit of a maths in the sense
hmm.
that it depends on the cost of my house, therefore my loan requirement. So if the amount of my loan requirement is on the higher side, then the percentage tends to get a little lesser.
Ah,
And if the amount required is on the lower side, then they would easily stretch to an 85 to a
sure.
90% because anyway the amount required is lesser. So like I said, it's a mixture of everything. There is mathematics, there is your own credit profile, there is the lender that you
Hmm.
want to do business with. It's a mixture of all these factors that determines how much of a loan.
There's some flexibility there.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. You have better chances of getting a better home loan amount if you were to go to an NBFC as compared to a bank.
I want to ask you a subjective question. Does the property I choose affect the home loan I get?
So, Jagu, obviously the property choice is important because you have to see it from the lender's perspective as well, right? So, the property is actually the collateral, right?
Sure.
So, the type of property, what stage of construction is it in? And more importantly, are the legal titles, are all of it clear?
Hmm.
Are the plans approved?
Hmm.
Nowadays people have also started looking at, is it RERA approved? Have you gone on the
Sure.
website? Have you registered your project? All of that, it sort of adds, and this is from a risk assessment point of view.
Hmm.
This is what your lender is going to look at. So if all of this is in the clear, then of course it's a no-brainer. The lender will be only too happy to lend you the money.
Fair.
However, like I mentioned, that if any of that is suspect,
Hmm.
then either the lender may not want to lend you any money, or they'll lend you much lesser amount.
You don't know how life is going to be in the future and how that property will be affected in the future. It probably makes sense to pay a slightly higher price just to get a good property with clear title.
Absolutely.
Just so that we're good for the next 30, 40 years.
Absolutely.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.